Hi everyone, Nisi Harmon here of What She Creating Enterprises, and today I will be showing you how to insert the top thread in the Brother LX3817 sewing machine. So let's get started. First thing you'll need is a spool of thread. As we explained in one of our other tutorials, this is where this is a spool holder for the top thread. So we want to put our top thread in here. Machine, so make sure your thread is coming clockwise. Next thing you're going to do, you're going to follow the guide. So you'll take your thread and you're going to place it through this insertion here, like that, and you should hear it kind of click. And then we will take our thread slowly. You'll see guide number 2. We just looked at guide 1, so we'll look at guide 2 now, and we'll follow guide 2, and then we see guide 3. So we will follow guide 3. We're going to wrap the thread around and come back up. We want to take our hand wheel and move it towards me. So move the hand wheel towards me. If I'm looking here, you see that there's a hole there. I want to get my thread in that hole. Now, the easiest way to do that, once again, is to take your thread and go behind it and then come back up, and it should kind of loop. Okay, so I'll try it. I'll do it one more time for you so you can see. But you want to go behind it and then come back around. Bam. And it should go in the hole. So it's actually in this silver hole mechanism here. And now I'm going to go down because I'm following number 5. So I'm going to go down. I find this little piece here. I'm going to take my thread and I'm going to kind of loop it around it and put it through there. Last but not least, some people have the hardest time with threading the needle, but there is a trick to it. First thing you want to do is cut your thread, okay? And sometimes I put saliva right on the end of it, and then I insert it into the machine. All right, there we go. So it's inserted. All right, pull it all the way through so that it's straight. And then you want to put it through the toes of the presser foot. So I'll put it through the toe and make sure everything is going to the back. And that is how you thread the top spool of thread in the Brother LX3817 sewing machine. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Leave us a comment, subscribe to our page, and happy sewing.